the question you're asking yourself is, should I take Microsoft Excel from this guy? And here are some of the reasons why. I've been teaching Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel for a really long time, since the late 90s, every semester. I'm full-time tenured faculty at a community college in Fresno, California. I've worked with all ability levels. I know how to teach people how to use Microsoft Office, how to use Microsoft Excel. I know the tips and tricks. I know the essentials. I know what you need to understand to get up and going and using it quickly. I've just had a lot of experience with it and experience teaching people how to use it. And so I'll be able to pass on to you really quickly how to use Microsoft Excel on the Mac. And you know, also along the ways, hopefully there'll be like a few jokes or something. So, you know, it's Microsoft Excel. I have a lot of experience. I know how to teach people. You're going to love this course. It's going to be great. You're going to get it faster than anybody else can teach it to you by taking it from me. So I'm glad you're here. Let's get started.